As we grow older, our bodies change in many ways. And one of the most common yet often overlooked issues that many seniors face is constipation, a topic that might sound simple but can have a huge impact on comfort, health, and daily life. Today, we will explore natural ways to improve digestion and restore balance, using food as the first and best medicine, so stay with me until the end, because you'll discover an easy recipe that can gently support your digestive system every day. Constipation becomes more common with age, mainly because our metabolism slows down, we drink less water, and sometimes we eat fewer fiber-rich foods, but there's good news. Simple changes in what we eat can bring remarkable improvements. The first key to a healthy digestive system is hydration. Water keeps everything moving smoothly through the intestines, so seniors should aim to drink enough every day, even when not feeling thirsty, because dehydration is one of the main hidden causes of constipation. Next comes fiber, the magic element found in many natural foods. Fiber adds volume and softness to stool, making it easier to pass. It also feeds the good bacteria in the gut, which helps regulate the entire digestive process. Experts recommend consuming at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily, and while that might sound complicated, it's actually simple when you know where to find it. Whole grains are an excellent starting point. Oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are gentle on the system and provide both soluble and insoluble fibers, which together form the perfect combination for a balanced gut. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and beans are another great choice. They not only help digestion but also provide plant-based protein that supports muscle health, something essential as we age. Now let's talk about fruits, nature's sweetest solution to constipation. The star of the show is the prune, famous for its natural laxative power, thanks to its high fiber content and sorbitol, a compound that helps draw water into the intestines. But prunes are not alone. Bananas, apples, figs, grapes, and kiwis are also rich in beneficial fibers, and when eaten fresh or slightly cooked, they can work wonders for the digestive system. Vegetables play their role too, especially green vegetables like spinach, green beans, and asparagus. They provide hydration, minerals, and a variety of fibers that help keep the intestines active and strong. Even carrots, often thought to cause constipation, are actually a good friend of digestion because they are rich in fiber and easy to digest when cooked lightly. Another useful tip is to include seeds like flaxseed and wheat bran in your diet. They gently stimulate the intestines and can be added to smoothies, yogurts, or soups without changing the taste too much. Now, speaking of smoothies, here's a simple natural recipe that you can make at home. It's delicious, easy, and effective. Take 1 slice of pineapple, 2 figs, and 2 prunes, put them into a blender, add 10 grams of wheat bran and 10 grams of flaxseed, then blend them to mix well, but not too much so the fibers keep their texture and effectiveness. The result is a creamy, fiber-rich drink that tastes like sunshine in a glass. Drink this in the morning, and you may notice a more regular digestion within a few days. It's a perfect way to start your day and care for your body from the inside out. Remember, healthy digestion doesn't depend only on food, it's also about movement. Regular gentle exercise like walking, stretching, or Pilates helps stimulate the intestines and improves circulation, which together keep your system balanced. If constipation continues despite a healthy diet, it's important to talk to a doctor, especially if it comes with pain, fever, or abdominal swelling, because sometimes these symptoms can point to something more serious that requires medical attention. For those looking for additional support, natural supplements made from plant fibers, such as guar or partially hydrolyzed fiber, can help. They act gently and often show results within 2 to 3 days, but always consult a healthcare professional before using them regularly. The main idea to remember is that constipation is not a disease. It's a signal from your body that something needs balance. By adjusting your diet, drinking more water, and staying active, you can restore comfort and well-being naturally. So the next time you sit down for a meal, think of it as an opportunity to nourish not just your taste buds but also your gut, because a healthy gut means a healthier, more vibrant life at any age. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on natural health and senior wellness.